guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to plan your 2025 in Notion. So let's get started. So first here, we build this part at the last couple videos, and as you can see here, I created a menu and I created this page. So I'm gonna create the mood board as page 2. So you can go like, I guess you could go here to the 6 dots and turn it into page, and now it's all pages. But I'm just gonna be adding a few widgets, so you can go to this website called indify.co, and I just signed up and I got this widget and I called it clock. So then you can customize it a bit and stuff. So, and yeah, after you could go to this link at the bottom and press this clipboard or this board, I guess, and go back to Notion and paste it. So, CTRL-V and pick embed. Now you have the clock and you can resize this and everything, and I'm gonna be adding this clock here at the corner. Now I could also add a few different widgets, but that's all that I have for now. So here at the monthly overview, I'm gonna go to the 3 dots here and press layout and pick a gallery. And also I'm gonna put this clock probably up here and add the empty space there for to add more widgets. So here I guess we could put any widgets from indify.co or any other widget. So here, let's go to the template and set as default and edit. Now you can see all of these we made from the last video. So if you press new page or plus new page, you'll automatically see this. So you could like every single month, for example January, and it's currently just like you can actually refresh this page. So if it's not picking up, I think it's CTRL shift and then R. I don't know, but I remember it was like that. Okay, now you see here it's popping out. So for example, a daily journal, at today, and you can add the date for today, and you can write anything here and press the new page template and just write anything here. Okay, so now let's press the arrows, and we need to do this quick. So let's set this to, let's go to layout and set this to page cover. So now we could add a page cover. So let's go to Unsplash, or you could just upload your own image, but I'm gonna pick Unsplash for now. And pick this cloud cover, I guess. and you can see it right over here, and you can add more and more months, and you can plan and plan. This is just a simple template. So now let's go to our vision board. Let's set this vision board to full width, and then let's add an icon. And you can also upload your own image, which is pretty cool. But I'm gonna use this thought icon, and I'm gonna use the color, the default color, black. And now I'm gonna write / gallery to make a gallery view, and just make a gallery, and you can call this vision board. And you can also hide the database title and rename the database tab to vision board. You can also change the tabs icon to basically anything you want. I'll just pick this book. Now I'm gonna delete all these 3 pages and add a template. I'm gonna set this template to full width and delete the created and tags. And you can call this new vision. Now in the new vision, you could add an icon if you want to set like a default icon. For example, a thought every single time, or like this little waving bear every single time, or any icon, emoji, or uploaded image you want. So you could basically write like everything if you want to ask for your version. Like for example, let's add an H2, and let's call this when do I want to accomplish this vision? Or you could ask questions if you want, or you could like add plans or something about this vision, a step-by-step, or basically anything. So you could set this as default, and you can add a lot. So for example, school or something, or like other things. You could just add any vision. So yeah, and you could also make your plans. So let's go a little space down and do /table, and table view, and let's call this goals. So this is like the little breakdown, I guess. So let's put a table here, and let's link this to goals. Okay, now let's delete this tags, and we can add a date property from end date from start date to end date. For example, this goal you want to accomplish, you want to start doing this goal on February 1, and end this goal at February 1, and start this goal in January 1. So you could just do that, and it will show in here. So let's just put that to default, to /table, and yeah, you need to link it, and then goals. And this will be from all of your all the goals will be shown in all the pages. So if you don't want that here, you can do this. So you can add a multi-select or actually a select and call this area or vision. So this is just like a little breakdown, break it down a little bit, and you can actually filter it by vision. So let's pretend the vision is any vision, and you could filter it by any vision. So we can just duplicate this and call this any vision, and duplicate it and call this all, and do that a little bit